Hello, welcome to Astronautics for Exploit. This is Dr. Ayenshola Ogundere. Strategic applications and use cases of high-altitude pseudo satellites, focusing on solar-powered unmanned aerial vehicle and stratospheric balloons. High-altitude pseudo satellites, a critical link between conventional aircraft and satellite offering the persistent coverage of a satellite with the flexibility and lower cost of an airplane, serve as a critical stratospheric layer for several strategic applications. Examples of the strategic applications and use cases of high-altitude pseudo satellites are the system management, emergency communication restoration, real-time situational awareness, search and rescue optimization, logistics and aid coordination, humanitarian and environmental strategic uses, and a host of others. HAPS, which operate at approximately 20 km altitude, can deliver imagery with significantly higher spatial resolution than traditional satellites. In the area of precise location, equipped with synthetic aperture radar transponders and high-resolution sensors, high-altitude pseudo satellites help to locate distressed parties in remote or inaccessible regions. Beyond line-of-sight communications, high-altitude pseudo satellites act as high-altitude relays for secure high-bandwidth data links. The focus points are as follows: defense and security, telecommunications and connectivity, environmental and civil monitoring, and the system management. Defense and security. High-altitude pseudo satellites serve as a strategic missing link between conventional aircraft and orbital satellites operating in the stratosphere. They provide persistent low latency and cost effectiveness. High-altitude platforms, Atlas LTA, is shown in this picture. Defense and security applications are as follows: persistent intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance. It offers high-resolution imagery and radar data, enabling continuous monitoring of specific area. They are ideal for border surveillance. Google Project Lone Balloon is illustrated in this picture. Resilient communication networks, they act as stratospheric cell towers, providing beyond line of sight. Stratosphere airship is illustrated in this picture. Maritime domain awareness is another area of application. These systems enhance vessel detection and tracking across vast oceanic territories, supporting anti-piracy, search and rescue, and pollution monitoring missions. A general atomic reaper is illustrated in this picture. Defense and security application of deep sensing and layered defense. Militaries are utilizing apps for deep sensing to gather detailed information. Airbus CVX is illustrated in this picture. Telecommunications and connectivity. In bridging the digital divide, high-altitude pseudo satellites deliver broadband to remote area. Illustration of area above Earth is shown in this picture. Telecommunications and connectivity, emergency and disaster recovery. Rapidly deployable high-altitude pseudo satellites restore communication when infrastructure is destroyed by natural disasters. They provide resilient backhaul links and can act as a bridge between disaster management centers and affected regions. AI-driven reinforced learning system is shown in this picture. Maritime and remote connectivity. They extend reliable internet and 5G to oceanic routes, islands, and offshore industries. Strategic use include maritime domain awareness for real-time vessel tracking and security. Architecture for space air-ground integrated network is shown in this system. 5G, 6G, and Internet of Things integration. High-altitude pseudo satellites supplement existing 5G networks by alleviating congestion in high-traffic hotspots, The profound low latency required for time-sensitive Internet of Things and autonomous vehicle data. Direct receiving station would provide direct access to constellation of Earth observation satellites is shown in this picture. Environmental and civil monitoring applications, such as climate and atmospheric research, pollution tracking, precision agriculture, conservation and resource management. Disaster response and management for civil authorities. It serves as versatile platforms for public safety and urban management, useful for rapid assessment and emergency connectivity. Space Air Grant Integrated 6G Wireless Communication Network is illustrated in this picture. Civil monitoring and infrastructure applications have application areas such as maritime surveillance, persistent monitoring of shipping lanes, vessel detection for anti-piracy, critical infrastructure inspection, and smart city management. Satellite relay network is illustrated in this picture. The system management. Emergency communication restoration during the system management. Direct to device connectivity. High-altitude pseudo satellites can act as floating cell towers, providing 4G, 5G, and broadband directly to standard mobile devices. Backhaul support. They restore damaged backhaul connections. Secure communication bubbles. Deploy high-altitude pseudo satellites creates localized system. Integrated space ground telemetry network is shown in this system. Real-time situational awareness persistent monitoring, including high-resolution imaging and multi-sensor data. High-altitude satellite concept is shown in this picture. Search and rescue optimization is another important application. Precise location. Equipped with synthetic aperture radar, transponders, and high-resolution sensors, they can locate distressed parties in remote or inaccessible regions, and also useful for early warning system. Marine Aerospace High-Altitude Pseudo Satellite is shown in this picture. Under the system management area is the logistics and aid coordination for access tracking and resource allocation. Lightweight vertical tail for a hybrid high-altitude pseudo satellite is illustrated in this picture. For more information, contact Astronautics for Exploit. You've been listening to strategic applications and use cases of high-altitude pseudo satellites, focusing on solar power UAV and stratospheric balloon by Dr. Ayonshola Ogundele, with the focus point defense and security, telecommunication and connectivity, environmental and civil monitoring, and the system management. Thank you.